You know, for years I've been telling you about timeshare condos. They are terrible investments. That's because you sign an obligation not only to pay for the condo, but to pay for the annual maintenance, even though you're only going to use it for a week. You know what? Actually, those developers make more money on the maintenance, I think, than they do on selling the units. If you figure it out, there are hundreds of units, and then each unit has 52 owners, and each owner pays about $400 or $500 or $600 a year. If you buy a timeshare condo, you're going to be strapped with that maintenance fee every single year, whether you use it or not. And sometimes you can get strapped with special assessments, like if the pool goes bad or they have to pave the parking lot. Well, that could cost you thousands of dollars. Now, people think, oh, I'm just going to give away my timeshare or sell it and I'll get out of it. No. There's something in the contract called recourse. That means the original signer is held responsible if any subsequent owners fail to make their assessments. So even though you think you got out of it when you sold it, you probably didn't, unless the original developer freed you of that obligation. So what do? I finally found a company that can get you out of a timeshare legally. It's called the TimeshareExitTeam.com. Incredible. That's right. They'll get you out of it, not by selling it or transferring it to someone else. No, they don't want to strap someone else with it. They get you out of the contract by making the developer take back the unit and dissolving your obligation once and for all. TimeshareExitTeam.com. Look them up. I'm Tom Martino.